How to fix settings menu not opening on Windows 11. Hello everyone, if the settings menu isn't opening in Windows 11, here are some solutions you can try. Firstly, try to give your device a quick restart. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary issues. Now check for any corrupted system files. To do this, open Command Prompt as administrator. Go to the search bar, type in CMD and press enter. Now in the command prompt, type in this code. After you type in this code, then the scan will begin. Restart your PC again after the scans complete. Also try to restart your Windows Explorer. To do that, open Task Manager. To open your Task Manager on your PC, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. When you press all three keys, then your Task Manager will appear. I'm just gonna open it in the full screen. Now here, search for the option Windows Explorer. Once you find it, right-click on the file. After that, select the option Restart. Once the restart is complete, then your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.